Acadiana Garage Doors has more garage doors. Acadiana Garage Doors has more choices. Acadiana Garage Doors has Southern Louisiana's largest selection of garage doors and garage door openers. Acadiana Garage Doors is #1 with homeowners. Just ask someone with an Acadiana Garage Door. They'll tell you it's quality and service. Acadiana Garage Doors even offers rugged and reliable LiftMaster garage door openers you can control from your phone. Acadiana Garage Doors, where customer service is our specialty. Call today.